Hello, children. Very good evening to you all. How are you all doing? So, a very good evening to you all, children. How are you doing? Fine? Hi, children. Did you all sleep in the afternoon? Yes or no? Have you all slept in the afternoon today? No? Why? Or yes? Show it to me. Yes? That's great. Very good, children. So, now can you all tell me which day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Yes, children. Now, can you all tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. Can you all show me your 7 little fingers, children, now? Open your 7 fingers. Here you go. There are 7 days in a week and they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So, total there are 7 days in a week. Come on, everybody, children, tell me how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week and they are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. Okay, children. Fine. So there are 7 days in a week. Now, can you tell me how many months are there in a year and what are they? There are 12 months in a year. How many months are there in a year, children? There are 12 months in a year. And can you tell me what are they? They are, come on, everybody. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, total there are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. Now, children, can you all tell me how many months are there in a year loudly? Oh, is it? There are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. And what are they? They are, once again from the beginning, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, total there are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. All right, children. Okay. Now, everybody come on first, stand up from your places, children. Everybody should now quickly stand up from your places. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Everybody should now stand up from your places and start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Jump up high and touch the sky. Can you all jump up high and try and touch the sky, children? Yes? Let's see once if you can jump up high and touch the sky. Come on, everybody. Jump up high and touch the sky. Oh, the sky hit my head. No, we cannot touch the sky. Can we touch the sky? No, we cannot touch the sky. Okay. Oh, it's too sunny today, see? All right, children. So, everybody should now start. Jump up high and touch the sky. Jump, jump, jump. Jump, jump, jump. Jump up high and touch the sky. Very good. Now come on everybody, children, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Very good, very good. Turn around. Very good, children. Round, fast. You have to turn round fast, fast. Turn around. Well done. Superb. Now come on everybody. Bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards as much as possible. Oh, please pull me. Thank you, children. Okay. So, come on, everybody. Bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards as much as possible. Okay, let's do it again. Bend down and touch the toes and then bend backwards as much as possible. I'll count to 8 for you. Okay. Come on, everybody, start doing it. Oh, Sanvi, you're doing very good, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. How sunny it is. 7 and 8. Okay, very good. Now what is next? Everybody should put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Okay, let's start doing it, children. Okay, right, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dheeraj is also doing very good. 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Naomi, hi. Now come on, children. Show me your shoulders. Can you all show me where are your shoulders, children? Can you all show me where are your shoulders? You don't have shoulders? We'll still move a little bit back. Sit. It's very, very sunny. Oh, it's so hot. So hot. Oh my gosh. Well done. Oh, wow, nice. So, now can you all show me where are your shoulders? Children, show me where are your shoulders? Here they are. Can you all tap your shoulders now? Very good. Now come on everybody, join your elbows. All of you should join your elbows and rotate your hands round like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Well done. Viraj, what happened to you? Get well soon. Now in the other direction. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 last. That's fantastic. My daughter is sleeping. Yes. Okay. Now, what is next? Put your hands forward. Everybody ready? And rotate your wrist round 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. Very good. That's fantastic. Very good, children. Now come on, everybody. Sit down. Sit down. All of you should sit down now. Sit down. Sit down. Now let's do the action words. Okay. I will give the instruction and I want you all to do the action. Okay. Are you ready, children? Say yes, ma'am. Loudly. I'm not able to hear anything. Yes, ma'am. That's super. Very good. Now come on, everybody. You just have to follow my instructions, okay? Everybody stand up from your places now. Stand up. Sit down. Sleep. Sleep. How do you do the action sleep? Very good. Cry. Cry. Yawn. Yawning. Very good. Cooking. How do you do the action cooking? Well done. Reading. Reading. Writing. How do you do the action writing? Jumping. Show me the action jumping, children, now. Great. Can you all crawl down like a baby? Can you all now crawl down like a baby? Can you all do that now? Just do it once. I would like to see you all crawling like a baby on the floor. Come on, children. Dhriti, come on, crawl like a baby now. Crawling. Adya is doing. Very good. Can you all show me the action word for awake? Wake up in the morning. How do you wake up in the morning, children? This is the action. What is the action for wake up? Good morning, children. How are you doing? That's the action for wake up. Can you show me the action word for sneezing? Sneeze, children. Come on, everybody. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Very good. Now, can you all show me the action word? Hopping. Hop. How do you hop? Can you all hop and show me how do you hop? Hop on your one leg. Hop. That's great. Super. Parents, you can help them if they're not able to do. Hop, hop, hop. Hop. Very good. Now, can you all show me how do you do? Walking. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. Come on, everybody should walk. Very good. Now, come here, children. I'll tell you something. I want you all to go to your kitchen and get something which is round in shape. Can you all do that? Quickly now. Parents, please don't give them any help. This is the way that they should understand the instructions given by a teacher. Okay. Children, go and collect the things which are circle in shape from the kitchen room. Only from the kitchen room. You should collect something which is circle in shape and show it to me. Okay. And you can put in the comment section here if they've got something on their own. And for those who are coming on to the live session for the first time, we give online classes even in the morning session. The details are given in the description box below. You can just check and get in touch with me. Jar cover you bought. Very good. So parents, always encourage kids to do the activity. Don't do it for them right away. Let them think, let them explore, let them do things on their own. Plate, everybody got a plate. Oh, Dhriti, you got an onion. Very good. Bowl, very good. Potato, very good. Plate, very good. Plate, bowl, glass, very good, very good. Bottle cap, apple, very nice. Children, cup, nice. Very good, nice. So superb. Keep it up. So children, that's fantastic. A big high five to you all. Come on with the teacher here. High five. That's amazing. Great. Now, children, listen to my second instruction. See here, they should understand the room as well. I'm trying to teach them the rooms first today. Children, now run to your bedroom and get something which is rectangle in shape. Rectangle shape looks like this. A rectangle shape. Rectangle. Go to the bedroom. Go to the bedroom and get something which is rectangle in shape. Come on, quickly. Go, go, go. Your timer starts now. Run to the bedroom and get something which is rectangle in shape. For those who are coming to my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And we give classes to preschoolers, specially exclusively for preschoolers only. If you are looking out for classes each and every single day, I have given my details in the description box below. You can check and get in touch with me. So children, did you get the rectangle things from your bedroom? Oh, you have book, pillow, wow, remote, AC remote, yes, perfect, from bedroom. Writing pad, laptop, book, paper folder. That's amazing, children. Very good. Let's kids enjoy the session today. That's great. Now, pillow and so many things. Pencil box. Wow, very nice, children. Fantastic. That's amazing. Keep up the good work. Now, children, can you quickly go to the dining room and get something which is oval in shape? Is it possible? Just try if you have something at your home, in the crockery or anywhere, or maybe in the dining room you can get something which is square in shape. Where is your dining room? First of all, just head there and see. If you don't have anything, you can still come back and say, ma'am, I've not found anything there. And you can get something from some other place and tell me, ma'am, I got this from that particular place. I want an oval shape from the dining room. If you don't have, you should come back and tell me you have not found that. And again, go back and check it in some other place and you can come back and tell me. Oh, tablet in oval shape. Very good. Egg, very nice. Not found anything. Great. No problem. Bowl, you have some of you must be having bowls which are oval in shape. Coffee mug. Great, children. Very good. Very good. Very good. That's fantastic job. All right, children. Now, where are you right now? Can you tell me in which room you are in right now? Ha, mosquito bat. Nice. Good. Now, children, can you tell me in which room you are right now in? You are in your bedroom or your balcony or maybe in your living room. Where are you right now? You are in the hall, living room, bedroom. Very good. Very good. Drawing room. Very good. Was not able to find. Yeah, yes, as you are not able to find, it's totally okay, baby. Now come back, come back. You are in the bedroom. Most of you are in the bedroom and the living room. Very good. Why nobody are in the kitchen room? Can you tell me, children? Why are you not sitting in the kitchen room? You have to give answer to me. Why are you not sitting in the kitchen room? Because kitchen room is to. What is the activity we do in the kitchen room, children? What is the activity we do in the kitchen room? In the kitchen room, we cook food. Food. Kitchen room is to cook food. Kitchen room is to cook food. Very good. Fantastic answer. Now, can you tell me what all things you can see in your kitchen room? Recollect and say. Otherwise, you can take your parents to the kitchen room and show them and ask them to name each and every object in the kitchen room. So, because kids needs to learn vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important. They have to learn by now what some thousands of words. So, the more vocabulary they know, the more communicative they will be. If they don't know the vocabulary, what happens? They don't feel like communicating because they don't know what it is called. See, the child may feel like saying, Mommy, shall we bake something in the oven? But if he doesn't know that is oven, he will not feel like telling it to you also. So, children, can you tell me what all things you can see in the kitchen room? Objects in the kitchen room. We see hob and chimney, grinder, Maybe refrigerator also, otherwise in the dining room. Knife, spoons, cutlery. What else you see in the kitchen room? Your pans. Very good, children. All these things we see in the kitchen room. Good job. Now, children, can you all quickly tell me what is the activity we do in the bedroom? We cook food in the bedroom. Am I right? No, you're wrong. Do we cook food in the bedroom, children? You no, we don't cook in the bedroom. Then what do we do in the bedroom? Can anybody tell me what do we do in the bedroom? Yes, we sleep happily in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. Very good. We sleep in the bedroom. Adhar, look here. What do we do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. So, can you tell me few objects which are present in the bedroom, children? Name few objects which are present in the bedroom. Parents, try and get more and more vocabulary from your kids. They have to speak out. If they're not understanding my instructions, you are there to, convey the message to them. Come on, children, quickly tell me what are the objects that we see in the bedroom. Bed sheets, pillows, bed, cupboard, mirror, wardrobe, TV unit, writing table, working place, everything we have in the bedroom, right? That's fantastic. Now, children, can you all tell me the name of the room where we have a furniture seating and a TV unit? What is the name of that room? Where do you have a TV unit and a sitting uh, area in your house? What is that room called? You want to tell me? It's called the living room. We call it the living room. What all objects you see around in the living room, children? We see TV unit, furniture, center table, sofa set, chairs, cushions. We also have curtains hanging in the living room. Living room is to sit and have a talk or a family time. We can watch TV. Children can also play in the living room. Okay, children. This is about the house. And next is the bathroom. How many of you have bathroom at home? Can you please put your hands up if you have a bathroom at home? Very good. Everybody has bathroom at home. Yes, very good. What is the activity we do in the bathroom? Do we sleep in the bathroom? Do we cook in the bathroom? Then what do? We watch TV in the bathroom. Then what do we do in the bathroom? We take bath in the bathroom. We fresh up ourselves in the bathroom. All right, children. So these are the different parts of a house. What are the different rooms we have in the house? We have kitchen room, living room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and hallway. All right, children. In the dining room, what do we do? In the dining room, we eat the food we cook in the kitchen room. Okay, children. Now, can you all quickly tell me what all the rooms we have in the house, children? What are the different rooms we have at home? Can you now tell me what are the different rooms we have at home? Come on, quickly tell me. If you are telling correctly, I'll send you a surprise. From here only, I'll do some magic. Tell me what are the different rooms you have at home? Kitchen room, dining room, bedroom, bathroom, living room. You should know the house vocabulary. That's very important, children. That is there for your syllabus of preschooling. that you should know the different rooms of a house and different rooms of a school. Now coming to the school, it's been a while you have came to school, and I don't think so many of you must have at least visited school once. All right, fine. Can you now tell me what are the different rooms we have in the school? Don't know? Classrooms, office room, staff room, playing area, waiting room, reception. These are the different rooms we have in a school. You also should know the activity of each and every room. All right, children. That's fantastic. Now, come on, let's move on to the next topic. Today, I would like to show you some fruits and vegetables first. Then we are going to draw them. All right, children. Would you like to see? Yes? Quickly, you should tell me the name of the fruit. Which fruit is this one? Sweet lime. Sweet lime. Sweet lime. This is papaya. 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 Pear. 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 Grapes. 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 Chiku. 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 Guava. 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 Which fruit is here, children? Do you know? It's an orange. It's an orange. It's an orange. Pomegranate. 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 Custard apple. Custard apple. Custard apple. Watermelon. This is the watermelon. Watermelon. And here you see it's an apple. 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 So children, can you now tell me the names of some of the fruits I've shown you just now? Recollect the names of some fruits. Come on, count it on your fingers and say. Fruits names. Apple, banana, mango, orange, grapes, pineapple, custard apple, papaya, chiku, and what else we have seen here? Sweet lime, pear, orange, pomegranate, watermelon are the different fruits. If you have some fruits at home, you can quickly go and get some and enjoy while the class is happening over here. These are the fruits. Okay, children. Now let me show you some vegetables. Vegetables. Here you go. Can you tell me which vegetable is here? Onion. Very good. Brinjal. This is a brinjal. Green peas. Green peas. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Cabbage. Cabbage. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. It's very important, children. You have to learn as many vegetables and fruits as possible. The names, I mean to say. This is the Lady's finger. Lady's finger. Which vegetable is this one? Carrot. Carrot. Capsicum. Capsicum. French beans. French beans. French beans. Cauliflower. 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 Tomato. 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 Here you go. Potato. 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 And which vegetable is this one? What happened? Oh, this is not a vegetable. I thought it's a vegetable. Then what is this? Is it a fruit? Then what is this, children? Oh, it's a flower. All right, fine. Very good. Good job. Then you are listening to my class. That's great. Now, apart from those, you also should learn vegetables like this one, which are gourds. Ridge gourd. Gourds. These are gourds. This is for senior KG and LKG students also. Ridge gourd. Ridge gourd. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. Snake gourd. These are the gourds we have. Okay. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd. So these are the category of vegetables which are called gourds. Gourd. We call them gourd. They are on creepers. Okay. These are all we get on creepers, not on plants. I mean to say shrubs or herbs. These are all creepers. Bottle gourd. Bitter gourd. Snake gourd. Ridge gourd are the different gourds we have. Now let's see the leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables. Lettuce. This is called lettuce. Lettuce is a leafy vegetable. Can you tell me which vegetable is this one, children? Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli is a leafy vegetable again, okay? This is again a leafy vegetable. Fenugreek. 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 Coriander. 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 These are the spinach. 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 These are the leafy vegetables, children. You should remember the category of vegetable. That is very important. Names of vegetable, anybody will say. Even a playgroup child will say. But what will you say? You have to name few leafy vegetables. You have to name some gourds. You have to name some underground vegetables. And you also should be able to name some beans and peas. That is what you have to learn. Okay? Right? Now, this is a leafy vegetable. Spinach. Okay? This is over. Now, underground vegetables. Sweet potato. Sweet potato is an underground vegetable. Sweet potato grows inside the ground. So, those vegetables we called underground. Okay? Once this class is over, you can revise this, which is there already. This will be saved. No, you can revise and then learn this. Okay? Vegetable names anybody will know, and there's nothing great about that. You have to learn it like this. Radish. Radish is another underground vegetable. Okay? Radish. Sweet potato. Carrot is also an underground vegetable. Carrot. Onion. These are the underground vegetables. These vegetables are grown inside the soil under the ground. We cannot see them outside. If we want to have them, we have to pull out that plant and then look inside to see them. Okay, children? Fine? Fine? Sweet potato, carrot, radish, onion, and we also have many more underground vegetables like yam, elephant foot, ginger, garlic, beetroot, turnip, potato, sweet potato, onion. All these are the underground vegetables. Okay, children. What are the gods? We have snake god, bitter god, ridge god, ivy god, bottle god, ash god, spine god, pointed god. These are many different varieties of gods we have. Okay, clear no? Now next comes your leafy vegetables. There are so many leafy vegetables, children. Vegetables which are leaves and we consume them as leaves. Cooking the leaves we eat, we call them leafy vegetables. Examples of leafy vegetables are spinach, mint, coriander, fenugreek, curry leaf, broccoli, lettuce. These are all the leafy vegetables. Okay, children? See here. Spinach. This is a leafy vegetable. Okay. Fenugreek. This is another leafy vegetable. Coriander. Leafy vegetable. Broccoli. Leafy vegetable. Lettuce. Leafy vegetable. These are all the leafy vegetables you should remember. Yes, here see, underground vegetable, beetroot, garlic. Okay. Now let me quickly show you beans. This is lima beans. We have many types of beans as well. Here I have lima beans, kidney beans, French beans, green peas. These are all comes under the category of beans. Okay. Fine, children, you have to learn it this way. Now practice like this. Just don't say the names of vegetables. All right, children. Fine. Now just these are the different types of vegetables we have. All right. Okay. Now just now I was telling you about different type in different rooms, right? Here see. Which room is this, children? Can you tell me which room is this one? Looking at the picture, can you tell me which room is here? It's the kitchen room. Very good, children. It's the kitchen room. Now, can you tell me the objects which we see in the kitchen room, children? We see a refrigerator, a mixer, some plates, a table, sink, apron, chimney, hob, pressure cooker, oven, pans, and bowls. These are the different things we see in the kitchen room. And the activity we do in the kitchen room is cooking. Bathroom. What is this, children? Which room is here? It's the bathroom. What all objects you see here in the bathroom? Can you tell me? We see a bathtub, tap, shower, bucket, dustbin, potty seat, toilet seat. We have to say toilet seat. Okay. Toilet paper, toilet seat, towel, mirror, wash basin, comb, brush, paste, soap. These are all the different things we see in the bathroom. Okay, children? Can you tell me which room is here? It's the bedroom. Very good. What all things we see in the bedroom, children? We see a bed. You can also still say cot and mattress. blanket and bed sheet, pillows, side table, bed lamp, writing table, wardrobe, bed mat, bed carpet, you can say, a window, some curtains. This is a bedroom. All right. Here you see a living room. Living room. Now, can you tell me what all things you see in the living room, children? We see a TV unit. We see some sofas. We see a center table. We see a floor mat, carpet. Living room, we see a carpet. These are the different things we see in the living room. Okay, this is about the different parts of a house. So today what all we have learned, children? We have learned the house, different rooms in the house, different activities we do in the house, and what are the different objects which we have in the house. That is one thing. Next we have learned about fruits, and also we have learned about vegetables and different types of vegetables like underground vegetables, leafy vegetables, gourds, peas and beans. Okay, children, fine. Now, next we are going to move to the next topic. Remember, children, it is very important for us to learn the phonic sounds of English alphabet. Phonic sounds will make you read words quickly. So first, you have to learn the phonic sounds of English alphabet for us. Now, come on, everybody should be very attentive. What will you do? Quickly go, run, touch your bed and come back. If you are sitting in the bedroom, then touch the main door and come back and sit. You have to do this 3 times. Go, 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 go. Everybody should now go. Nobody should be sitting in your place. Nobody should be sitting in your place. If you are in the bedroom, go and touch the main door. Come back. Say one hi to me. Say, ma'am, 1 is done. Go back. Touch the main door. Come back and say 2. You have to do it 3 times. In the same way, if you are in the living room, go touch the bed. Come back. Say one to me and go back and you have to do it 3 times. Finished. Everybody should do this because phonics are very important. You need lots and lots of attention while reading phonics. All right, children. Finished? Who is that not doing? Come on, everybody should do now. Go, go, go. We are ready. We are waiting for the phonics session now. Come back, everybody quickly and sit down. If you want, you can drink some water. Okay, children, drink some water. Are we ready? Prayer now, why are you not doing? So for all the parents who are online, if you are planning to join your kids for the online sessions, I have given the details in the description box below. You can get in touch with me. I'll give you the details on how to join our online classes. And if you have really liked this session, you can please hit a like button over there. There's so many parents seeing the class, but nobody liked it. Very good. Now, before we start, if you have liked the session, hit a like, then we'll start with the phonic sounds here. Okay. What's the children? Very good, you and good boy you are. Those who all liked my class are very good. However, everybody are so sweet. Come on. So, children, what is the phonic sound of? Okay. Before I start, I would like to tell something about the phonics to the parents here. Whenever you introduce phonic sounds to children, when you are showing them the capital letter, say the name of the letter. What is the name of this letter? It's letter E. When you are pointing to the small, you can tell the sound. E says egg. Reason being, all the words are written in small case letters, right? For example, see here, cabbage. It is written in small case letter. So when you train small case letters, when you train phonic sounds on small case letters, they will easily connect. Ka, a, b, age, cabbage, like that. So E. E says e, 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 egg. E, e, egg. Most importantly, while showing capital letters, better um, not to say the phonic sound. That's what I meant. Okay. When you show only, see, for example, here I have both capital and small. In the book also I have capital and small. But sometimes I did not get it here today, but we have only capital letters, right? They're better not to say the phonic sounds. It's better to say the phonic name letter sounds. A, B, C, D. When you show capital, just say A, B, C, D. When you are showing small case letters, try and tell the sound. Okay. Hope you got my point, right? Because all the words are written in small case. When you show small case, introduce phonic sound. When you are showing capital letters, you say letter V, letter E, letter A, B, C, like that. Fine. E. E says egg. Egg. Ant. 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 A says ant. Y. See, when you show capital, say Y. Initially, nursery students will start with capital letters. That's why. Once they learn capital and small letters, then say the sound. Y says ya, yo, yo. Ya, yo, yo. Drawing is there, ma'am. Yes. Kite. Kite. Leaf. Leaf. Round. It's not water. It's water. Watermelon. Whale. Whale. Bell. 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 LKG syllabus, nursery, UKG, all syllabus. I've already posted it on my YouTube channel. You can go back and check, ma'am. Orchid. Orchids. Piano. 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 Snail. Don't take it easy. Phonic sounds are very, very important. I'm telling to each and every single parent here. It's very, very important that every child should learn the phonic sounds. Snail. 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 Rock. Red. Rose. Here iron box. Igloo. Ink pot. Okay. Zip. 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 Fire. Fire. Drums. 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 Cake. Cake. How many of you will cut cake on your birthdays, children? Have you ever cut a cake on your birthday? Yes? Oh wow. Would you like to cut this cake as well? Come on, cut this cake. This is a green color pista cake. Who wants to cut this cake? Well done. This is house, house, house. This is gate, gate, gate. Jam, jam, jam. Quill, quill, quill. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Tire, tire, tire. Mask, mask, mask. Net, net, net. Vase, vase, vase. Vase or van. Okay, children. Now, I will show you two things. I want you kids to guess which concept is that. Okay? Here you go. Close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. Everybody should now close your eyes. Ta-da! Children, now come on, open your eyes and tell me which concept this can be. Any guesses? What is that I'm going to show you here? Just check if your kids are able to say. Wow, well done. It's big and small. Big and small. Very good, children. This. Can you point out to the big object here? Which one is the big object? Yes, this is the big. This is a small. Small. This is a cube. We call it cube. Cube. 3-dimension. No, this is a cube. 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 Okay. Square is different. Cube is different. This is a cube. Big cube. Small cube. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small are the opposite words. Big and small are the opposite words. Okay, children? Fine. Can you tell me what is the difference here? Anybody? Color, okay. Hard and soft. Sorry. Rough and smooth. Rough surface, smooth surface. Rough surface, smooth surface. Rough and smooth. Would you like to test and try? Come on, you can also touch and see. Rough, smooth. Rough, smooth. Okay, children. Rough and smooth are again the opposite words. Rough and smooth are the opposite words. Smooth. Touch the wall nearby. Rough. Your dress also is rough. Smooth, rough are the opposite words. Okay, children. Up and down. Up and down are also the opposite words. Open, close. Open, close. Open, close. Open and close are also the opposite words. So shall we all once sing a rhyme on open and close? Okay, let's start. Come on, everybody, close your eyes now. Open, close them. Open, close them. Give a little clap. Clap, clap, clap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. Put it in your lap. Lap, lap, lap. One more time, shall we do it, children? Yes? Come on, start doing it. Close your eyes, all of you. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Everybody should now close your eyes. Open, close them, open, close them. Give a little clap, 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 clap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. Fantastic, children. Once again, come on. Open, close them, open, close them. Give a little clap, 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 clap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. Put it in your lap, 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 lap. Fantastic, children. Open and close are the opposite words. Once again, big and small are also the opposite words, isn't it? Big, small, big, small are the opposite words. Okay, shall we once sing a small rhyme for the big and small children? Yes? Come on, start. Can you draw a big circle, a round circle? Now, can you draw a small circle, a round circle? Once again, shall we do it, children? Yes. Come on, start doing it. Can you draw a big circle, a round circle? Now, can you draw a small circle, a round circle? You like it? Yes? One more time, we shall do the same rhyme, okay? Come on. Can you draw a big circle, a round circle? Now, can you draw a small circle, a round circle? Fantastic, children. Good job. Now, shall we all sing the butterfly rhyme? Many of you like it, right? Come on, let's start singing the butterfly song, okay? Come on, everybody, put your left hand forward, put your right hand forward, lock your thumb fingers, turn it like this. Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. That's fantastic, children. One more time. Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? Butterfly, butterfly, how do you fly? So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. So quick, so fast in the blue, blue sky. This is your butterfly song. Okay, children. Now, for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is the first thing. Second is, we give online classes in the morning session. You can join us, and I have given you the details in the description box below. Okay, children. Now, let's do another opposite word, fast and slow. Okay? Fast and slow. Come on, start doing it, children. Fast, fast, roly poly, fast, fast. Very good. Now, slow, 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 slow. Now, fast, now, fast. Now, slow, slow, slow and fast, and slow. Well done, children. Now, everybody should clap fast. Okay? Fast. Now, slow, 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 slow. Fast. Now, slow, slow, slow. Fantastic, children. Fast and slow are also the opposite words. Okay? Opposite words. Fast and slow are the opposite words. And now, do you like to listen a story now? Yes or no? Tell me. Would you like to listen to a story? Or let's end it up here. Hello to all the children out there. And if you have really liked my session, please hit a like button. Would you like to listen to a story? Okay, fine, great. Happy to hear from you. I already got a story for you, but just would like to hear from you if you'd be interested in listening to the story or not. Here you go. Can you guess something from this picture, children? What is the picture talking about here? Children, come on. Use your creativity and tell me what is the picture talking about over here. This picture is about a small boy and his toys. Let's see what happened to him. Do you all have toys at home? His name is Akash. Akash has got toys at home. And what about you? You have many toys at home, right? And because of these holidays, you are eating our brain, throwing toys here and there and not lifting it up again. Isn't it? But that is wrong. You should not do that. Once you play, you have to place your toys back. Okay? Come on, let's see what happened with this child now. This is the story of a boy named Akash. What is his name? Akash. What is your name, children? Can you tell me your name, please? Oh, such a lovely, sweet name you have. One day, he asked his mother, Mommy, I want my car. His car. Which color is this car in? It's blue in color. What is the color of your car, children? Oh, do you have a car as well? That's nice. Why don't you play with your new car we bought yesterday? Said his mother. But mommy, it's broken, said Akash. Akash, you must take care of your toys. You'll not get a new car every time you break some toys, understand? Said his mother. Akash said, Mommy, please buy me a new car. This time I will surely not break. Please, mommy, please buy me a new car, said Akash. Okay, this time I will give a card to you. And if you promise me that you will take care of it, then only I'll give a card to you, said mommy to Akash. Parents, you can explain the story to them. He started playing with the new car and forgot what he had promised his mother. While playing, he banged the car against the wall so hard that the wheels came out. Again, what happened? Akash said he will take care of his toys. That is when we got him a new toy. And now what did he do? Again, he broke the car. Did you see the car wheel that came out? Will you do the same, children? Will you not take care of your toys? Will you break it all the way? Angry face. What is the emotion here a mother is having? Angry face. Show me your angry face, children. Again, the same thing. Akash is having a fear face. Sorry, mommy. Sorry, I'll not do it again, mommy. That is Akash. Akash went to his mother again and said, I want a new car again, mommy. Look at my car. This car also broke. I want a new car again, said Akash to his mommy. Again a new car. His mom was not happy at what he said and did. You will not get any new toy till you learn to take care of your toys. You must learn to be responsible and take care of your things, Akash. You always can't break things and ask me for the new one. Will you do the same, children? No. You should take care of your toys. Then let's see what happened. In the evening, his mother took Akash to his friend Sonia's house. Do you have friends, children, near your house, or do you go to your cousins? Yes, we all have friends, right? You also must be having some friends around your house. Okay, so Akash also went to his friend Sonia's house. Okay, let's see what happened there. In the evening, his mother took Akash to friend Sonia's house. Akash saw Sonia playing with many toys. Did you see Akash is playing only with one toy, whereas Sonia's got many toys on here on the floor? Oh, they are not. Wow, Sonia, you have so many toys. They look so good, said Akash. Oh, they are not new toys. My mommy bought me on my last birthday. I love all my toys, so I always take care of my toys. Don't you have toys? Akash asked Sonia. I also have many toys, but some of them are already broken. Will you let me play with your toys, Akash? Yeah, sure, but you need to take care of the toys while playing, said Sonia. How do you take care of your toys? Asked Akash. See, children, what happened when Akash went to her friend's house? Her friend is having so many toys. And he was like, oh my god, you have so many toys. I have only few toys. Why? What happened? Because I always keep breaking the toys and so I don't have many toys. Then Sonia said, no, 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 I take care of toys very nicely, not like you. Okay, these are the old toys I got, but then I make sure I play nicely and put them back in the basket and keep it in the place. How many of you will really do this? Raise your hands up. This is my toy basket. I keep the toys in the toy basket when I don't want to play with them. I never throw my toys like the way you do and Akash do. Sometimes I wash my toys. How many of you will wash your toys? Nobody. Tell me how many of you will wash your toys, children, really? I never throw my toys. Sometimes I wash my toys with the help of my mother if they become very dirty. Akash realized his mistake. He said, I will also take care of my toys from now. I will not throw them away anywhere. My mother keeps telling me, but then I never listen to her. So, parents, what did you understand? Sometimes, if your kids are not listening, take them to their friends and maybe things will work like this. Maybe. Okay. So, when Sonia said that she will take care of her toys nicely, Akash said, even I will take care of my toys from now on. I'll not throw them here and there. When Akash reached home, he told his mother, Mummy, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I will listen to you. Just like Sonia, I also will take care of my toys. You are a good boy, Akash, said mother very happily. Okay, children. So listen to me. In this pandemic, you are all staying at home and you are not listening to parents at all. But that is wrong. Okay, like Akash, you all should put your toys back after playing. You have to take care of your toys. You should not throw them here and there on the floor because old people, your grandparents or your parents or your young sisters or siblings may step on that and may fall down and they may get hurt because of you. Do you like it when they fell down just because of you? No. So I want you all to take care of your toys. When you play, you have to play with your toys. In the other time, you have to put it back and keep it in the basket and place it back in the cupboard. Okay, children, you all should be a very good boy and good girls out there. All right, fine. So, hope you have really liked the session today. I'll see you again in Wednesday's class. Till then, take care, children. Have a very nice evening and enjoy the rest of the day. Bye. Thank you so much to all the parents who are taking time to come online and showing this to your children. Have a nice day. Thank you so much and bye.